Sorry.
Tito Jong!
Hello. Hey, Tito.
Hey Tito, good to see you again. Here we are in Isabela. Well, rather, we're going to Isabela, and we're meeting more people over there. So, time for a car ride. A common theme of this trip.
Bye.
I got a complete side of the dad's family. Here we are in Isabela. First meal of the day. Salamat po. Okay, here we go. Here we go, tense game. 7-6 right now.
Oh, bonus stars.
Bonus stars.
Mini game star.
Oh
wow.
Oh wow.
This is a good game. This is a good game.
Yo! Let me get that. Let me see them stats. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah.
I was like, what is alive?
Yo, Max's chicken. Max's chicken. Yo, let's go. Max's chicken. So here we are, Max's chicken, gonna meet some new people while eating some chicken.
Yes.
Why do we call you Peps?
Because I love pepperoni.
Like when you were a kid or just like now? Like in general?
Before.
You still have a secret obsession? You have a stuffed toy.
No, I don't. I used to watch Peppa Pig all the time.
What is the top 3 facts about it? Top 3 facts about Peps.
I love color pink.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, anything
Easy.
pink. I love cooking for
Okay.
my family.
Oh,
And
the
banana.
family.
Yeah, and I'm a med student.
Nice.
Yeah.
What year?
Second year. My name is Vince. I like gaming.
Oh, okay.
I like
Games, what games?
Roblox, Valorant, Mario Party.
Oh, true story.
Yeah. I like doing TikToks like that one. Yeah, that one.
My name is Thomas James Tamayo. Okay, TJ, top 3 facts about you. Top 3 facts. 1, I have a girlfriend. Oh, I am not single at all. I am taken. I am taken. That's the number 1 fact. Second, I do not go out. I stay in bed. I mean, it's a different world. Oh, true story. Top third fact, I am a pre-med student. Oh, nice. Yeah. What year? I am in the 2nd year. Nice. Yeah. Medical laboratory science.
Somewhere on the scene, it got a little longer, so it seems. I burned out, so to speak.
Man's enjoying right now. Like, I could barely finish, to be honest. Either, how would you rate Max's chicken?
Did you just see the look of euphoria on her face?
Even locals don't even like Max's chicken. Like, this is a statement here. Let's see what he has to say.
I just have one last thing to say. If Max has 100 fans, I'm one of them. If it has 10 fans, I'm one of them. If there's only one fan on the world, it's me. If there's no fans left, I'm dead.
This is another supporter. No. Max's. No. Half a Jolly chicken over 10 Max's chicken. True story. Period. True story.
I would take chicken liver from Max's over a lifetime supply of Jolly Green chicken. Guys, like my what's it called, wallpaper?
No.
What's that? No. I made Max's my wallpaper.
DJ, I have a question.
What?
When I said Inga Po, why did the lady say we'll see you soon? Yeah, she said we'll see you soon.
Oh,
Nah.
she's not saying nothing. Yeah.
Yo, that's true story. Thanks to cousin TJ, we're getting milk tea right now. Let's go.
Maybe I got bad.
Milk tea, milk tea.
Because Tito Jong, Rhea and I walked there.
Calories right there.
Cookies and cream. Thanks, TJ. Appreciate you.
Yan, oh! Oh my God.
Now, that is a milk tea.
Let's go.
Is it good?
It's so good.
Yeah, she's so well trained.
I know.
Look at her eyes.
Take her.
Look at her eyes. Put it.